If you are a teacher or work with students in any capacity, there's a chance you have experienced children who have lashed out in class. The reasons for this behavior may vary, but experts say it could be the result of trauma. That's why we're partnering with the University of Illinois Springfield to present a workshop called The Night Before. This training for teachers and administrators takes place March 13th starting at noon at the West 40 office. The goal, build empathy in the classroom.
Instead of being angry if a child is acting out, we ask teachers to think differently how they want to engage with that child. And we really kind of target the phrase, what else could it be? What else might be happening? So before they respond in the moment, to step back and consider that something else might be causing a child to act out or to change behavior drastically.
This 3.5-hour training encourages problem-based learning to understand how to respond and react if you have suspicions that a child has experienced some kind of trauma. The workshop is free and the limit is 35 teachers and administrators. To register, go to west40specializedSupportServices.org.